Well, as we head into the weekend, it's got beautiful weather. It's going to be a wonderful Easter weekend, and we are joined this morning by our good friend Jasmine Kyle with the SEK Humane Society. And Jasmine, I want to talk about traveling with pets, because as we start to get back to events and start to go on vacations again, we want to bring our pets, but it can be a challenge to sometimes even just get them in the car, let alone make sure that they're happy, that their needs are being taken care of. What sort of advice do you have for pet owners who are looking to make this happen now?
Yeah, so if you have, especially for dogs, right? If you have a new animal in your household or your animal and you're wanting to take them out on the road, the best thing that we can recommend is positive reinforcement, right? So let's say that you're taking your dog out to the car and he's scared of the car, This isn't something that you should really push and shove the dog into. It's going to take a little bit of time. So that's, if he touches the car, smells the car, pets, good boy, good girl. And then what we do, just actually last week when I was picking up some dogs, we associate treats with the car, especially inside. So you'll open the car doors at that point, let them smell around, no pushing yet, treats until finally what we'll really do is, especially if you know your dog's favorite treat, to actually put that up in the car seat, right?
Yeah.
So at that time, it's a lot of positive reinforcement and letting the dog know this is something that is to be enjoyed and looked forward to. Cats are the same way. For cats, what a lot of people will do, especially for long car rides, right? If you're going on a long car ride, we definitely recommend to kennel cat. But if the cat, or dog for that matter, is not happy with that decision, then we do suggest you put a few weeks aside where, maybe 30 minutes a day, you and your cat or you and your dog go out and you sit in your car. And it makes a difference. That's how I got my cats to actually sit in the car and everything. So it just takes time. Now, if you have an emergency, like, hey, I got to hit the road, I have a family member, needing to see me, then yeah, definitely. If that animal has not been in a car before or has, anxiety about being in the car, definitely recommend a crate at that point.
Jasmine, you're so good at what you do. Congratulations to you and the entire Humane Society team on making it through the pandemic so far, and it sounds like as things slowly, inch their way back to normal, both the animals and everybody who's at the Humane Society is really going to benefit from it.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Jesse. We appreciate it.
All right, we're going to have that information on our morning show page. You just go to KOAMnewsnow.com, and we will be right back on the KOA Morning News after this.